Okay, ito ang diagram ng half wave na titignan natin. So, isang diode. May AC input, ito yung 7.5, ito yung 0 volt. Diode and then yung load resistor. So, mapansin nyo wala pang input. Now we power on. The yellow ay itong 7.5 volt. Okay, so the yellow trace ay 7.5 volt. Now yung blue na nakikita nyo, yun ang after the diode. Nakita nyo yung half wave lang ang na-rectify. Zero yung negative niya. Okay. Now, tanggalin natin yung or i-switch off natin yung yellow, yung channel 1. Okay? Okay. So yun ang secondary. Now that is without capacitor. Say, lagyan natin ang capacitor na ito naman yung 4.7 microfarad. Mas maliit na capacitor. Good. Watch the scope. Watch the trace. Yun. Nangyari sa scope trace. So, yun yung peak. Peak. Okay? Now, palitan lang ng capacitor na mas malaki. Ito naman. This is a 47 microfarad. So, what's the scope? Hold on. Okay. There you go. So, may almost straight line. Pero napapansin nyo, nagwe-wave ng konti. Okay. Yun ang epekto ng comparison between full wave at saka itong half wave. Okay. Alrighty. So, pag power off natin, unti-unti din bumababa yan. Hanggang maging 0. Okay, power on again. On. Power off. Maging 0 dyan. Okay. Now next, ito namang full wave bridge rectifier. Tingnan natin ang mga waveform nito. So, mayroon akong bridge configuration. Ito, may 4 na diode, D1, D2, D3, D4. And my load resistor. Ang AC input niya ay ito, 7.5 at 0. Okay. So, now, sukatin natin ang AC input. I-power on. Watch the scope. Watch the trace. Okay. Yun ang secondary voltage niya from here. Okay? Ngayon, ilagay natin sa output. Change this to now. That is without a capacitor. Now, lagyan natin ng maliit na capacitor. I think it is 4.7 microfarad. Now, what's the scope? Okay. Yun ang naging result after we put the filter capacitor. Okay. Now, we change this capacitor to a larger capacitor. This is, I think, 47 microfarad. What's the scope? Okay. Now, nagiging straight line na with the larger capacitor. Wala na yung ripple. Okay. So, yun ang effect ng capacitor. Now, i-power off mo, slowly going down yung output to 0. Okay. Power on ulit. The power off, slowly going down. Because of the capacitor. Okay. Power on. All right. Ito ang diagram ng full wave with center top rectifier. Okay. Tignan natin ang waveform ng full wave with center top. So, mayroon kang dalawang winding, 7.5, 7.5, and 0. Okay. So, you have two diode, D1, D2, and then load resistor. So, tingnan natin ang waveform doon sa center top output. Let's go power on. Okay. So, notice, meron dalawang identical waveform, magkabaliktad lang. Okay. Bali, 180 degrees out of phase. Okay. But identical. Gawa nung dalawang winding. Okay. Now, tingnan natin ang waveform after the rectifier. Take coding. Okay. Okay, i-increase natin. Okay. So, yun ang output ng dalawang diode. Yung blue at yellow. Okay. Nagsama. Na-add natin. So, itong peaks ay 120 Hz na frequency. Okay. That is with load resistor, without capacitor. Now, let's put a 4.7 ohm, 4.7 microfarad capacitor. Okay, what's the scope? Trace the tanggalin natin ang isa. Trigger natin the channel 2. Okay, may steady na. So, yun yung mga peaks. 120 Hertz ang frequency. Okay. So, the same din ang waveform doon sa full wave bridge. Now, palitan natin ang capacitor na mas malaki. So, natanggal, kaya ganyan ang waveform, natanggal ang capacitor. Then, we connect a bigger one, 4.7 ohm, 47 microfarad. Okay, what's this trace? Okay, what's the trace? Alright, okay. So, yung capacitor, na-smooth niya yung output to almost pure DC. Okay. Then, if you power down, makikita mo rin mag-decay yun to 0 volts. Okay, power up again. There. Power down. Okay. And power on. Okay. Yun ang full wave with center tap. Full wave rectifier with center tap. Okay. Alright.